What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is July the 15th, man. We're almost halfway through July. So anyway, guys, happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a great day. We have two jobs today, just like yesterday. July is usually one of our busiest months. I also have already booked two new in-home consultations this morning. One I'm doing this Saturday and one I'm doing next week. So anyway, guys, we're out here in Decatur, Georgia. And then after this job, we have to go do a screen and recoat and UV cure in Cumming, Georgia. So this is a new client. They do live here. Called me out last week. I came in and did an in-home consultation. They booked on the spot. And what we're doing here, guys, is a wax removal on a pre-finished floor and also their granite countertops. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in beautiful Decatur. A lot of times people move here, they say Dacula, like Dracula, but Dacula, but no, it's Decatur. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going. It's a little bit over 600 square feet. And if you guys see, I'm gonna zoom in, see all this, guys? You see all this? This is wax on their floor. See all this? That's all wax. All right, so we're gonna remove the wax all through here, this nice whole open area. And you can see how the floors are supposed to look because they had a rug sitting here. And let me show you, see how it's really dark right here? See this, that's all wax on the floor. And then while I'm doing the extracting, I'm gonna go ahead and let T, they also wanna, they include the granite countertops, so we're gonna clean, buff, polish, and seal the granite countertops. Yesterday, guys, was a great day. We got 2 Google reviews yesterday, so that pushes Truman up to 668 5-star reviews. Well, I take that back. A few of them are fake reviews. Back long time ago, some of my competitors wrote me some fake reviews, but that's normal. Anyway, guys, we're about to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, man? The middle part he's done. Yeah. You see how much better? Now look at your floors. Look all the way right here. Mm-hmm. Big difference. Big difference. Yep. The floors look so much better now. That was faster. Huh? I said that was fast. Yes, yep. Yes, ma'am. So all I gotta do now is this, and then going out the front door. I was just showing my client the difference. As you can see right here, I haven't done any of this yet. They cannot believe it. But all that wax that was on the floors, countertops, you can see the countertops shine from here. Wow. So T's doing the countertops, I'm doing the floors, and again, look at that difference. Wow. All right, guys. That is going to do it. Floors, or this is what we call taking the floors back to their original state. Now again, I did point out this to my client. This is like a water damage situation. Probably, I don't know, but these things would not come out. Even these boards, this is the engineered floor, these boards will need to be replaced. But most people say, Courtney, don't worry about it, because usually a trash can goes there and a rug goes here. But guys, these floors. Also check out the countertops. Shout out to Tavares. Nice clean seal polish on these countertops. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, we're about to get ready to head to our second job of the day, screen and recoat with UV cure. Oh, floors look good. Nice, nice, nice. Wow. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See you in the next one.